Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you the easiest way to create eye-catching Facebook ads with Canva. Click the Create button. In the field provided, type Facebook. From the search results, select Facebook ad. This will help you quickly set up a new Facebook ad campaign. Continue following the next steps to configure your ad settings and start your campaign. Select any template style from the options shown. For example, choose this one. After selecting your template, you can customize and edit it to match your preferences before saving or sharing your design. Select the design you want to use. Click the text box, then start typing to edit the existing text. You can also change the colors by selecting a new color option. Try to update the value directly by clicking on the field, typing your new value, and pressing enter to save the changes immediately. You can also add elements here by clicking Add Elements. Find the recommended element in the list. Click to add the element to your project. After adding, locate the Save option and click it to save the newly added element. This ensures the element is stored and available for future use. Click the Send to Path option to transfer your work to the designated path for further processing. Click the Layer menu, then select Send to Path to update your design. Once satisfied with your design, proceed to export. Click the Share button to open sharing options. Click the Download button to save your file. Purchase the site to access the high-quality image download. Use the app's main screen and look for the download icon. Click it to save the image instantly. Now you know how to design a Facebook ad post in Canva. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tips.